This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Depress the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the slam panel and engage the end with the hole in the underside of the bonnet. The battery is located at the rear of the engine compartment. Make alignment marks for the windscreen wipers using tape. Then lift up the spindle covers and undo the wiper spindle nuts. Recover the washers beneath the nuts. Wriggle the wiper arms to release them from the spindles. Identify the wiper arms. The driver's and passenger's arms may not be identical. Remove the rubber seal from the bulkhead at the rear of the engine compartment. Slacken the retaining nut and using a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position the lead to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Undo the bolt and disconnect the auxiliary leads from the battery positive lead clamp. Then slacken the nut and disconnect the positive lead clamp from the battery terminal. Unclip the panel from the scuttle trim. Remove the scuttle trim screw and lift the wiring harness from its location. Undo the torque screw at each end. And lift the scuttle trim upwards from place. Then lift the battery from place. Locate the battery in the tray with the terminals at the front edge. Refit the battery clamp and securely tighten the retaining bolt. Maneuver the scuttle trim into place, ensuring it's correctly located. Then refit and tighten the torque screw at each end. And the screw on the upper surface. Refit the wiring harness to the scuttle trim. Press the positive lead clamp fully down on the battery positive terminal and securely tighten the clamp nut. Reattach the auxiliary leads to the positive lead clamp and securely tighten the retaining bolt. Locate the negative lead clamp over the battery negative terminal and press it down fully. Tighten the negative lead clamp nut securely. Smear a little petroleum jelly over the battery clamps to prevent corrosion. Refit the panel to the scuttle trim and the rubber seal to the bulkhead. Locate the wiper's arms over the spindles, then align the blades with the tape on the windscreen. Refit the washers and tighten the wiper arm retaining nut securely. Don't forget to refit the spindle covers. Detach the support prop from the bonnet and clip it into place on the slam panel. Firmly lower the bonnet and check that it's securely locked.